Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. And what we're doing today, we're so excited. We got some beautiful things lined up. We got some stuff coming. We got some stuff coming in the middle of the week that we got to get ready for. So what we got to do today is we got a brand new lift kit from torchoffroad.com. They've been around since the turn of the century building these metal lift kits for these trucks, and you know what, this thing is amazing. It's a full 3-inch lift kit. It fits a 2005 to 2021, so if your truck falls into one of those categories, this lift kit's for you. We got a 3-inch lift for the front, 2-inch for the back, and then we got our differential drop. So let's unbox it here and see exactly what we got. Alrighty guys, that stuff was packaged well. I mean well packaged. We cut all of that stuff off with the razor blade. We got everything laid out here. If you've never put one of these kits in, let me tell you real quick what they are. So here's our hockey pucks. Go right on top of our struts up front. That's easy. Here's our blocks that sit right on top of our axles in the rear. You know, just jumps our springs right up. These are our new U-bolts. Then we've got some bolts and nuts. And then basically this is our differential drop. Just easy stuff. You know, we put these kits on. A lot of trucks are easy to do. We're going to show you how to do it in your garage using a couple of jacks, a couple of jack stands. It's really easy.